Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Get you there.
What's that?
I said slow and steady. We'll get you there. What's 1400? I think 1400's 207.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Oh, fuck. Alright, so just kick polys. Oh. Rogue on me.
Come back in the ring, come back in the ring!
Oh, fuck.
I got an ice block off the mage, pawing him again. I got counter spelled. I'm in a blind. You're good, right? You're good?
Yeah, I think. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Pawing rogue.
Combust.
I stole it. I tried to steal it. Fucking kleptoed him and it didn't. Oh, he took it back. That's why. All right. Falling
Nice.
rogue. Can't get over there, man. I'm rooted. No,
Just go rogue.
no.
Go rogue it.
I got kicked. I got another ring for you. Stay right there. I got a G5 for him. He's dead.
Nice.
I'm getting the hang of this.
Slow and steady, Click. Slow and steady. Honestly, like, I feel like this is a comp. If I play Shad and Snoop's on an H-Pal, bro, like... Cause honestly, we're killing stuff, like, pretty much off your poly and stuff, you know? And like, whenever I play my Shad with your Rogue, I'm pretty much already, like, set up to, like, be CC, you know? Is that, like, support, I guess, would be the better term. But now that you got, like, a castable, like, reusable fucking CC, it's kinda dope.
Yeah.
And I can play stun. Haha.
Falling the pally real quick. Getting a G-Pie on him.
Giving you dark.
He convoked. The druid convoked. Why is he down there?
He's Los.
He bopped. He bopped. I polyed the druid somehow. Are you good?
I don't know.
Should I poly the pally? I'm polying the pally. Oh my god. He trinked? Polying him again? Got one more poly for him.
Gripping you up here.
Well played. Getting a G-Pie on him.
Fear.
Yeah, I polyed the druid.
Nice, nice, nice. Oh, I'm dead here. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Polying the pally. I'll just keep polying him, keep you up. You good?
Dark.
Can you grip me? Never mind, I got him, I got him! Yes, let's go! I don't know who got that, but...
I think that was you. I just had mind games on him. I was honestly just healing, trying to keep you up. Clicky, respect the 1v1, God.
Did you see that? That shit was cool.
He said, did you see that?
G-Pie!
That G-Pie only took like 300 health. Damage.
Dude, I did some damage that time!
Fuck yeah, bro. That's cause the red sat me and you just sat there and free cast like that. Yeah.
Shit was
That's
crazy.
what's up, bro. Like,
I don't know how we got so many CCs on the druid. He was resto, right?
yeah, he was trying to play, like, he was casting Starfire and shit on me. I was like,
He had Convoke. How does he have Convoke?
that's just Night Fae.
Wait,
So,
what?
like, so whenever a class goes Covenant, they get what like all druids get Convoke and stuff. It's just like depending on
Gotcha.
what specialization. So like, say you're a bear or whatever, like you can be a guardian druid, but if you're in like cat form or whatever, it's more likely to throw like the rakes and whatever the cat moves are out. But if you're in bear form, it's more likely to throw thrashes out and shit like that. Same thing for like Boomy and shit. So since Boomy has Moonkin, it's got regular, it's got bear, and it's got cat. Depending on what form you're in, it gives you whatever moves more likely. But like Resto druids can, Restos, Pharaohs, Guardians, they can all still chuck out fucking random ass Star Surges and shit, you know?
Gotcha.
Alright, Clicky, it's them again.
Alright.
Just live.
Who did we kill?
The Boomy,
we didn't kill anyone.
we just gotta live. We just gotta live. No, I think we can, I don't know. I don't think this is...
I don't remember this one. I don't remember a Boomy and a Priest.
Yeah.
I remember a Lock and a Priest.
No. You're smoking rocks. We didn't beat a Lock.
No, we didn't beat him. I said I remember a Lock.
Yeah, you remember the fucking dude missed fear.
I need help. I need help. I need help. Thank you. Dispersion. Am I good? Am I good?
Should be. I'm stunned. I'm just gonna pain suppression you. Double fear.
Holy crap, dude. I'll block as soon as I get out of this if I can. Nope.
Oh, fucking...
Dude, they killed me through Cauterize. Like, Cauterize did nothing.
Yeah, Cauterize just brings you back to 100 and then you dwindle back to 0, right?
Yeah, but it was instant. Like they proc cauterize and just like it did nothing.
Oh no.
I just died as soon as it procced.
That's probably my bad. I didn't cast Mind Games there. Probably would have helped. I feel like that one, like, I don't know, like, if we're going up against 2 melee range, we need to play, like, almost opposite ends of the map, if that makes sense. But, like, if we're going up against if we're going up against 2 melee, we need to play opposite ends, you know? So, like, we can, like, grip and leap and, you know, split them up, basically. But, if we're playing 2 range, I feel like we gotta play, like, same pillar, basically, you know? And, like, that way we can just los them the whole time, you know? If we have to.
I have many wares. Many farewells.
Alright, which pillar are you doing?
This is just instant death, Clicky, I'm sorry. We lose this.
We got it.
I'm going on the box, and as soon as they pop, I'm just popping barrier and probably gonna trinket. Hold up, should I run relentless? I don't have relentless because I have a trinket now, and it's the trinket. This game is stupid sometimes.
Convoke, watch out.
Jesus.
Damn.
Fuck.
They could just both pop Convoke and then it's GG.
Fucking 43k ferocious bite? Or no, it was just 10k. But still, what the fuck? Yeah, this game isn't broken. Still better than Corruptions. Still better. Like, I'm not complaining that much. But, you know. Oh, Lord. They were smart, though.
Alright, we should be able to win this one.
We should be able to win them all, Clicky.
Should we?
Yeah. We're us. We're just better.
Oh. Double drew. Where's Snoop? Snoop, where are you? This guy.
Oh my god. Can you just get out of the way, please?
I'll eat the pally. He bubbled. We got everything. Arm on you. Watch out. I got nothing for you right now because a poly for that guy.
Yo, just
All
get
right.
away from that.
Alright.
Doing you dark. Mind control and monk.
G-Pine in the pally. Oh, my Hodge. Damn. I'm gonna G-Pie the pally. Come back. Okay.
Oh, I missed the fear. Oh, I just accidentally popped pain suppression too.
I stole bop. Thanks, buddy. He's gonna die right here. Nice grip. I kicked him on the. I kicked him on it. Oh my god. I'm insane, Space.
Shut the fuck up.
Is that why there's
Kill
a
this
clip
guy.
of you on
Kill this
YouTube?
Did you
guy.
watch that last match, BZ? I felt like Zaryu in that match. Did you watch that? Oh my gosh. That was fun. I like that one.
This
Oh
guy.
my god.
I feel like I have
My
to run
dude, just hit the fucking ball, please.
because I don't do enough damage.
Holy fuck, that's all you
Yeah.
gotta do is hit the ball, my guy.
Honestly, like, G-Pod just opens it up for us too, like, because if you G-Pod, they have to kick that. Then you, like, that's at least one kick gone for me or you, so you should get the poly or the ring. And then,
Right.
you know, it's right back the damage. Plus, if you do get a G-Pod off, like, you don't even really gotta have combust. We just gotta, like, get a little bit of CC and then, you know.
True, true, true.
Well,
Oh, GG's.
Yep, I'll see you on the other side, bud. Valhalla.
So save all your cooldowns for you. I have block. Like they're gonna probably bubble in wings. I'll just keep CCing until they bubble, and once they bubble, you might have to paint up yourself. And yeah,
I might have to do everything here.
stand buff.
I thought I gave it to you, my bad.
Oh
I'm going
my fucking
dark
God,
too.
bro.
And then we'll go this, that.
I'll try and slow them off the beginning so you can just run around for a bit.
Yeah, no, that's the plan, bud.
I don't think they're gonna come in though.
Hold up, come back.
Hey, Hodge. Thank you. Trying to. Why won't it give it to me?
Hold up, double fearing. Clicky, this is really bad.
Ollie, that guy.
Alright,
The other guy he sacked him, dude. So like we could just chill for a bit.
No, just go.
That guy's at half health. Sack down. Hodge? Oh, I'll just... Thank you. G-Pie in the sky!
I can go twice as high.
Bro.
Take a look. It's
You're
in
the
a
fucking
book.
closest one. What are
Fuck
you
you,
doing?
Red.
Expecting you to fucking hit the ball, my guy. What the fuck?
Yo, hit A. Hit A. Yeah.
Hit A?
Yeah, A pally.
Yeah, that's who I've been going after.
Okay. Just making sure.
I'm Hodge.
Yeah.
You kicked me? I got a G-Pie for this guy.
G-Pie in the sky. I can go twice as high. Take a look.
Why can't...
Bro. This is bad.
Alright, I got you. I'm gonna poly him.
No.
I can't poly him? No? Okay.
I was just worried about you there.
Polyed him. No, I had the other dude poly too. I'm gonna poly that guy.
This is so fucking broken.
Oh, I didn't want to do that. Fuck.
Dark.
Help. Thank you. Grip. Oh, I gotta block. Live, he has wings. That's okay. I'm coming out of block. Falling the other guy.
I gotta go for a drink, Click.
Yeah, go for it. Oh shit, I'm dead. I said go for it, and they both pop freedom. Damn.
Bro.
That's just so hard, man. They just kept healing each other.
Like, yeah. Like, even with fucking... whatchamacallit.
The fact that they get sacked, too.
Yeah, they
So
said...
the dude would sack him and just go heal himself.
That's just... ugh. That's tilting.
Yeah.
That is tilting. Like, I get that you can have, like, one-shot class, or, like, a class that can do a lot of self-heals. How are you gonna have fucking both in the same thing? Like, excuse me,
Yeah.
what? Ugh. Alright.
Gee Louise, bro.
Comes down to the better priest here, my guy. Just so you know, you're in luck. It's all this is my main. This is what I've been playing. Day one.
This is my main, baby.
Been playing this priest since day one. Day
You
day
never
one.
played a priest.
No, I never play a priest because they touch little boys. I don't.
Yeah, we know. That's why you play it.
Psychopath.
I mean,
We're gonna
we gotta
fucking-
bring my mental illnesses into this. You know, like,
Listen, Clicky's gonna be that one dude that gets lost in the Hangover.
No,
it's gonna be
that's gonna be Lum.
Yo, I said that to Sam last night. I was like, she was like, after the wedding, you know, you guys can go hang out and do whatever you guys want, you know, I was like, we're getting Lumos drunk as fuck. Like, way drunker than Zach's wedding. And she gave me a look and she's like, I will beat the fuck out of you or something like that. I was like, or we won't. I'm sap. Block.
Yeah, I blocked. He's dispelling. Thank you.
Get the fuck out of here with that fucking mind control, you punk ass bitch.
He kicked me.
Just damage him. Son of a bitch. He's on me.
I polyed the priest.
Can you?
I
Thanks,
couldn't
up
get
you.
the fear.
Up
Can you
you,
fear him?
up
Can
you.
you fear him? Can you fear him?
Yeah, as soon as I'm out.
Ah, I kicked the wrong one. Fuck. Alright, they're getting a reset. Careful, mind games. Calling the mage, or the rogue. Calling the priest.
Go priest, go priest, go priest.
No, no, no. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, I'm cheaped, I'm cheaped, I'm cheaped. Damn.
Just go rogue again, my bad. Do you have anything or no?
No. They're just gonna keep hitting me and going away.
Blink other side.
I don't have Blink right now.
Oh my god.
I do now. Got the
Nice.
rogue. Calling the rogue. G-pying the priest.
Stuck one.
Dark.
Kicked him.
Knock two, knock two.
G-pie, G-pie.
Gave you haste.
G-pying the rogue real quick. Priest is man. I'm sapped. I'm not sapped. Weird. Hey, hold up. Grimmy.
I was feared. I had trinket. Fuck me, my bad.
Now seed. Heal it. All good. Might be able to win this. Yeah, mind games for him. You are bouncing around on my screen right now.
It's all them rocks, bro. You don't kill me, I leave. Fuck you guys.
There was no kills. I didn't even die. Did you see that? Like, nobody got a kill.
Yeah, cause you have egg.
Oh.
They didn't kill you, Clicky. They killed your egg. They killed your seed. That was my bad. Hold up. I actually don't even have fucking Will of the Forsaken on my bar because I'm that bad. Alright, Clicky, I feel like you've earned a good marker. What do you want? We'll give you diamond.
Jeez, Red Valley.
At least it's doable with the shaman. Because we can one-shot the shaman.
Wait, we're killing the shaman or the pally?
I feel like... I don't know, we can go pally, but I feel like the shaman would be easier to kill, you know?
Yeah, they both got so much health, dude.
Mind game's dark.
Casting a Jeep. Alright, combusting.
I'm trinketing this.
He bubbled. Pally bubbled.
Popping it. Fearing him.
I got a Jeep
Going away.
out.
Oh, I got kicked.
Alright, I can sheep in 3 seconds. Alright, got the sheep.
Nice.
Sheep high again.
Mind games. I got dark in 5.
Broke Wraith.
He's dead, he's just dead. Kicked him. Thank you.
Why would you block that?
Because it was awesome.
I dispelled
You see
it.
that? I know, but I wanted to block it just to see what he did.
You're such a turd.
Oh, I almost did more damage than him. Hodge me. Damn, imagine if I had gear.
Imagine if you were good.
Imagine if I was bad. We wouldn't win any games.
Oh, this is gonna suck so bad. I feel like we just kill the rat. Maybe the rogue, but
Red's gonna bubble, but yeah, we gotta get that bubble. Gotta get it.
yeah, unless he does it on something stupid. But like, I feel like maybe I can kite the red, but I can't kite the rogue. You know?
Yeah. Shadow
Plus-
step and kidneys and
Yeah. Plus the
Keeps.
rogue's most of their CC, so maybe if we actually go rogue here, we'll shut them down.
alright, just
Like-
keep pawing the pally. Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
Probably easier.
Because Pally's most of their damage, but if they don't get a setup on us, we should be good. I got him.
They should get in combat. Nice.
Rogue on me.
Alright, opening
Got
with the G5.
I got his trinket. I got his trinket.
I got
Nice, 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 nice.
Pauling Rogue. I polyed Rogue.
I
I got Bubble too. I got Bubble. I'm gonna poly the Rogue again. Polyed him again. You can mind control him out of that. Mind control him. Mind control him.
No, he's already feared DR.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he's dead. Well played. Close.
What's up? Oh, that's why it's not working. You're not my focus.
Come on, I just want to G-pie you, my guy. He kicked me.
Why you want to G-pie guys, bro? That's kind of.
I just want to G-pie people.
As long as it's not cream pies.
Cream pies, huh? Nah.
The only good cream pies.
Banana?
Oatmeal. And female.
Woo! Honor level 21. Let's go. 21? What it said? I don't know what it said.
I was gonna say, how are you only level honor level 21?
I don't know.
Bro?
I got an achievement for something. I don't know what it was.
Well, what honor level am I? 128. Ho ho! Get smacked, Clicky.
Look at you.
Yeah, I got all the honor.
Oh, how do you check? Where is it?